Hello, my name is Sasaki, and this is a pre-recorded presentation for the 2024 International Conference on Cognitive Modeling. In today's society, many people are using social media online, and there are, of course, problems like decreasing trust of information. And there are many fake news, and recently there are also fake news using generative AIs, which is getting more of a problem. And of course, there are polarization of opinions and etc. And one of the biggest reasons causing these problems is echo chamber, which is a phenomenon in which the beliefs of attitudes of the majority in a group are emphasized. And so echo chamber has two sides, which is physical world and online. And in physical world, the trust in information circulating within small localized groups get enhanced, which leads to decreased receptivity to information from outside the group online. So the local nature of echo chamber get emphasized because of these two sides. So what we want to do is understand how we get to reliable online communications using multi-agent simulations with cognitive models. And we want to see the formation of local echo chambers and fake news diffusion mechanism. And so our hypothesis is that the nature of online and physical world environment creates differences in trustworthiness, which leads to the formation of local echo chambers. Okay, so this is the base environment we will work on, and so this is an analysis of the formation process of communication systems using artificial language with abstract symbols. And players have to do cooperative tasks with elements of dilemma situation, and emergence of communication systems were observed using these abstract symbols. We want to expand that environment based on instance-based learning theory. So this theory explains that humans retrieve past experiences called instances similar to the current situation to make decisions. And there are already researchers using multiple agents based on that theory. And we will use Python library PyIBL for our simulation. Okay, so in our model, agents act based on instance-based learning theory. They get messages from others and neighborhood data as input and retrieve instances related to current situation. And then agent make decision based on that, like sending messages. This is how it works. So agents sharing both global and local information begin to trust each other. Like here, B and C can see both their online messages and share both local information. And then you will see formation of local echo chambers because agents begin to use symbol patterns that only agents in same clusters can understand. And with formation of local communication system, agents begin to cooperate or betray using fake news. The result of fake news will update the trust, which can affect the pattern of communication system. We made a prototype model where agents have to encounter to get points. And the basic rule is the same as the research of Inoue and Morita. So coordinates of agents get initialized on the grid, and agents have to select combination of symbols to send messages to others. And when agents encounter, initialization will happen again. And so here above you can see two agents moving on the grid sides of 3x3, which is the same as the previous research, but of course we want to expand it. So we made a simulation with 5 agents with bigger grid sides, and here is an example of agent points transition. So you can see the gaps of points between agents get bigger and bigger. So here agent 4 has way more points than agents like agent 0. Here is a short summary and future work. So we are working on a simulation based on IBLT, and especially we want to analyze retrieve cases by agents. And of course we want to expand environments with more agents and bigger grid size.